Break your silence. Break your silence. Investigate, investigate.
Karima case, Karima case.
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 Break your silence.
Canadian authorities.
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 Break your silence.
Karima Baloch. Karima Baloch. Karima Baloch.
Friends, today I don't need to say anything much because everything is clear like a shield surface of the earth that what Pakistan was since 1940s until today doing with Baloch nation inside Pakistan, and now it's the time abroad. Pakistan has left nothing for the Baloch nation. Inside Balochistan, it was totally forbidden to protest peacefully, and our organizations such as BSO Azad and other organizations who were protesting peacefully for their rights were just banned. Now we come further and look ahead. Inside Pakistan, our intellectuals and our friends who were almost students, lawyers and doctors were abducted, and then since a decade something which took place, kill and dump policy of Pakistanis, which was a terrible, and this was only because no one was there to ask Pakistan why they are doing so. Pakistan just got free-handed from the world, and we believe United Nations was created to justify the nations who are suffering through injustice and brutalities. But Pakistan was doing since a decade, since 1940s until today. We were not given even the right, the fundamental rights to protest peacefully inside Pakistan. This was the main reason we came abroad to raise our voice. Among them, there was a history breaker lady who was Karima Baloch Shahid, who wanted to come here to raise our voice. And this is literally so shocking for us to get a news from Canadian officials that this was a case of no criminal attempts or maybe suicide attempts. We believe this is a shameful news for us to read, because let me just clarify in one word. Why would someone come from a nation where everyone is being killed and dumped, even that is almost 15,000 kilometers ahead? She comes to Canada to raise her voice or suicide herself. This is literally so shocking for us. We already know who our enemy is, and for that reason we call ourselves so unfit, and we are so unlucky to have Pakistan as our enemy. This is something which literally shocks us every morning when we get up to know, yeah, still Pakistan is our enemy. She remains our enemy until Balochistan and Baloch land is a greater Balochistan. With the poetry, I conclude my speech because my friends already mentioned a lot. Une nakshan karuje ya ki addan droshe ya ki pamanchu alburde kuha proshe man ke marga chepad namira anba man nazan.
Investigate, investigate. Investigate, investigate. Who killed Karima Baloch?
Pakistani.
Who killed Karima Baloch?
Pakistani.
Who killed Karima Baloch?
Pakistani intelligence.
Who killed Karima Baloch?
Pakistani intelligence.
Who killed Karima Baloch?
Pakistani intelligence.
Who killed Karima Baloch?
Pakistani
Chairperson, the first ever woman to lead the BSO Azad. She called for ending of women units in BSO Azad to ensure equality between men and women. She inspired thousands of Baloch women to take part in our national struggle. She started from her home, then her town, then her city, and all over the world. She was recognized globally for human rights and women empowerment. For her work, she was named in BBC Thousands Women list in 2016. Baloch Nation remembers her as a symbol of struggle. Her passing is also a huge loss for minorities. Few people have had such great impact on the future direction of humanity, and I believe she was one of them. She will be remembered for making the world notice our national struggle. Red salute to Baloch martyrs who sacrificed their lives for a bright future of Baloch nation. Red salute to Karima Baloch. Thank you very much.
Who killed Karima Baloch? 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 What Baloch looking from Canada?
Dear friends and supporters, we have gathered here today to pay rich tributes to our great leader Banu Karima Baloch. In the same time, we strongly condemn her cowardly assassination by the Pakistani secret agencies in Canada. The martyrdom of Karima Baloch is a great loss to the Baloch nation and the national movement. But due to her courage, bravery, and political acumen, will always be alive and will remain as a symbol for the Baloch nation and other oppressed nations of the world. With her ability, commitment, and bravery, she achieved a prominent position in the Baloch nation movement and internationally. Karima Baloch was a brave Baloch leader who exposed Pakistani army's atrocities in Balochistan at various global forums. The story of inspirational and historical woman Banu Karima Baloch starts from the day she joined Baloch Student Organization Azad in 2005. It was the time when the founder of BSO Azad, Dr. Al-Nazar Baloch, was abducted by Pakistani intelligence agencies along with his colleagues. Karima Baloch started working from that day wearing a veil, but no one knew that she will become a leader and an inspirational figure for the Baloch all over the world. Karima Baloch couldn't get the Nobel Peace Prize because she was a Baloch. If she were in an independent country, she would have certainly won it. Karima Baloch and other Baloch activists struggled for their rights, not only for the Baloch nation, but also for Pashtuns, Sindhis, and other subjugated nations of the region. Karima Baloch soon appeared all over Balochistan in rallies, press clubs, and protests. She soon became an active political member of Balochistan. Because of her activities and hard work in 2006, she became a central committee member of Baloch Student Organization Azad. In 2009, when Zakir Majid was abducted, she took his position of senior vice chairman. She became chairperson when Zahid Baloch, the chairman of Baloch Student Organization Azad, was abducted on March 18, 2014. Karima was the first woman chairperson in the history of the Baloch Student Organization. As a female leader, Karima Baloch role in BSO Azad is a greatly admirable because at the time many members of the organization were abducted and killed. Especially the senior leadership, Karima felt the vacuum left by her comrades and led all protests, rallies and press conferences and guiding the younger generation of his students. In 2013, when the government of Pakistan banned the Baloch Student Organization, BSO Azad, many more members were abducted and killed. In 2016, she left Balochistan and went to Canada because the Pakistani authorities threatened her that she would face the same consequences as her comrades. After reaching Canada, Karima took political asylum. She thought she was safe in this country and removed her veil and showed her face. But it's a shame. It's a shame that Canada failed to protect her from her enemies. After reaching Canada, Karima was named among the 100 most influential women by BBC. And she also continued her political activities. She spoke and participated in the rallies of Baloch, Sindhi and Pashtuns against the ongoing aggressions by Pakistani state. The news about her martyrdom has left us shocked, but her martyrdom will motivate many more people, especially the women, into our struggle. After Karima's martyrdom, a lot of women have come out to protest for her. The land of Balochistan has thousands of Karimas. Every home has a Karima. How many will Pakistan kill? This year, many prominent Baloch activists have been targeted, especially those who have fled Pakistan and have been living abroad. In an old interview of former Pakistan President General Pervez Musharraf called for assassination of the political dissidents abroad, he proved that the Pakistani generals are running a campaign targeted killings of the Baloch diaspora. And there is a pattern to prove it with 3 suspicious deaths happened this year. The first case was reported in May about Sajid Hussain, the editor and publisher of Balochistan Times, who was found dead in Sweden, whose website was exposing the human rights violation in Balochistan. He was an obvious target for the Pakistani army. While Reporters Without Borders strongly believes his death followed an abduction at the behest of Pakistani intelligence agency. On December 20, 2 more members of the Baloch diaspora died in Kandahar, Gulbahar Bukti and his son Murad Ali Bukti. They were assassinated by Pakistani secret agencies. 3 days later, Karima Baloch has been found dead in Toronto. With the recent wave of military operations carried out by the Pakistani army against the Baloch innocent people in Balochistan, even foreign lands don't seem too safe for Baloch activists. It continuing its kill and dump policy in abroad. We strongly condemn the planned target killing of the Baloch activists living in diaspora by the Pakistani secret agencies and request the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres to take a personal initiative to ask the Canadian authorities for conducting a thorough investigation considering the context in which Karima Baloch had fled Pakistan. We also demand the Canadian government a thorough investigate into the murder of Karima Baloch in Canada and fulfill its responsibility that began when it offered asylum to her. At the end of his speech, I again give rich tribute to martyrdom Karima Baloch. The day is not far for independent state of Balochistan, for which you, Karima Baloch, dreamed and struggled by sacrificing your life. Red salute for Karima Mehrab Baloch.
Who killed Karima Baloch? 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 Who killed Karima Baloch?
दरसंच पेश होती बानो किंगवार करीमा हसरक सलाम पेश कहीं कि आइया बलूचिस्तान बलोच कौम और दुनिया दिगे महकूमी कौमे अकू के वास्ता आवाज़ चस्को तक अंचो के शुमारा मालूम है 20 दिसंबर कनाडा टोरंटो शहरा बानो करीमा चावती लोगा दर के वो पदा वातर नबी आइए फैमिली सख्त तकांसुर बीत आइए लोगे वातर नबुआगा वड़ा आइए फैमिली टोरंटो पुलिस रिपोर्ट कांत इस तो 1 दिसंबर मिजान दुम्मी रोज पुलिस आरा बानो करीमा लाश चकोरा दस्त पपी ओ पदा टोरंटो पुलिस दुम्मी रोचा बानो करीमा लाशे बाबता वती रिपोर्टा लिखी के बानो करीमा ह खुदकुशी को तक सवाल इशिंत के बानो करीमा टोरंटो शहरा खुदकुशी पर्चा कांत तो अमी बाबता मा टोरंटो पुलिस रिपोर्टा यक्सर रिजेक्ट करना वो ई लोटा करना जो कनाडा गवर्नमेंट के बानो करीमा एक पोशे पट्टू पोला बेकांत और बानो करीमा एक कातला दर बिगीजी पर्चे के बानो करीमा एक कत्ल को पानित करीमा रा कत्ल को तक और पाकिस्तानी एजेंसी कत्ल कराएं तक पर्चे के बानो करीमा जो पाकिस्तानी एजेंसी ने मगा थ्रेट रसे तक कि जब बलूचिस्तान आज़ादी दस्तबरदार भी भले बानो करीमा अच्छी मजबूती जाली होता कि आइए बलूचिस्तान आज़ादी वास्ता जद्दोजहद को तक और बलूचिस्तान जनियादमाना आज़ादी सिकिंदा तक मर्ची बानो करीमा च जस्मानी सूरत चम्मा जुदा कोता भले आइए फिक्र आइए सोच बलूचिस्तानी अजारन ग्वारानी शिकलानी सूरत दिमाग करीमा को कशकदार नबी बानो करीमा जोदारा सत सलाम
Justice for Karima's death. Who is the responsible for Karima's death? 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 Who is the responsible?
Canadian embassy to show them that we have a protest of brutal murder of Karima Baloch Azad and working for the Baloch rights, and she was living exile life in Canada for saving her life from Pakistan army, Pakistan intelligence agencies. She was abducted one day before, and her dead body was found in the river. Same like who was also a journalist who was also writing for the Baloch cause, who was writing the brutalities happening with the Baloch, and he was writing the same thing as Karima was doing. She was a voice for the Baloch nation.
She was, her fault was only this, that she was raising her voice to the international media, to the international forum. I personally have condolences to her family, to her husband, to her relatives, and to especially complete Baloch nation. And I request from the Canadian government, especially to Justin Trudeau, to have independent investigation regarding her murder and bring the fact in front of the people, bring the real and actual fact in front of the Baloch nation, so that how she was killed. It is not the first lady who rose her voice in front of national media. There are many people who have been doing the same, but what is being done with them? They are being kidnapped, they are being tortured, they are being killed by the known intelligence agencies of Pakistan. I especially again request to the Canadian Embassy that please hold independent investigation regarding her murder and bring the fact in front of us. Thank you very much.
Man drostan pesh wati kamredi gwar kamredi sangat kamredi amra banu karima balocha आइए शहादता सोरे सलाम पेश करना चामा रोचा च 2005 के तोरपता अवली रंदा करीमा के प्रोटेस्ट आतकगा चमा रोचा आज पीदाइशी हमें जोदे बारे बुता आज लोगा आया हमें जोदारा बलोच बजदगियारा बलोच लगतमालियारा दिस्ता मारता वो आई तरबियत आहर वादा रसान बुता वो अमिचो मजबूत मोहकम तरबिया बुता वो जोजा आवाज़ बयान का करीमा अमा मर्दमी के बलोची अगर मच्छी प्रोटेस्ट किया तो बलोच जाने आदमी गिंदे तो बलोची गिंदे पा बलोचा गप्पाई बलोच जाने आदम के रोड़ा निसरा दरत का वती मातो वती पावती पे तो ब्राता या पा आदगे हक को कुकनी आइए बिंदात करो करीमा नतना पा बलोचा पा सिंधिया पा ईदगे द्रोसे कोमा या इंस्पिरेशन ही होता करीमा ई वड़ा रवाज में जोंजा या मज़ने तावानी भले आया या माँ कोल बलोचा के पा बलोच आजुइए या पा बलोच हुकूको बलोच अक्कानी ओ बलोच आजुइए बलोच ज़मीन के गप्पा जने गोड़ा ही रामा दोस्तों वात किसी इनको था आ चाहे मुल्का नेंदो के बलोची भी हाँ हम हमें जोहदे बारे माँ के डालना निश्तगे आयदा पा बलोचा आवाज़ चिस्कन गाएं या करीमा आवाज़ चिस्को था माँ हम द्रोस हमें जोहदे बारे हो ई मैं मर्दमाना जानग लूटी अमाहा के मर्ची सारिया नजाता के करीमा एक आदची बाद अशी के आहा जिंदगी अबदाती के करीमा एक आदची मर्ची द्रोस आरसीगा पुरसीगा वती दर्दानी गमानी एजारा कनगा लत्ते ने वास्ता बाजने गप्पे शर्मे गप्पे क्या हाँ करीमहारा बदे रादे गप गोश्ता भले मर्ची करीमा बीबी या इधर दोस्ते जोतकार बिबा के मर्ची जिंदगा आहानी इज्जता वेकने आई जोहदे बारा ये जोहदा कनगा हाँ अर्थ रंगा कनगा अंते माँ कमो लतींगा पे इंग्लिश कनगा लोटा चूँकि मैं टाइम हम हलासे आओ we Canadian authorities we came here to demand that Karima Baloch death was not an accident or a non-criminal act. When Karima Baloch apply for a refugee in your country, It's been that she was in danger in his own land. When she was processing for the application of asylum in Canada, you know, your immigration know, your all authorities know who stopped the Karima application and the process. You know who was threatening Karima in Canada, even in Balochistan and Canada, even before 20 days or a month, who sent the messages. But your authorities, your police did not see what the who is threatened by. Now, Karima Baloch, we lost a great leader, great friend, and great human being. Such a human being, thousands of years took to born. We came here to demand, please, proper investigate, a peer investigate for Karima murder. Who was behind the Karima murder? You should take it out and bring in front of Baloch nation and all over world. Today, everyone demanding for investigation of Karima murder. I thanks to my friends, Baloch friends, and the Dutch friends who came here participate to our
From Canada. What Baloch looking from Canada? Down, down. Down, down.
Pakistan!
Down, down.
Pakistan!